Do you have any idea how many peanuts are in my house right now and for nothing? Well, hopefully the cost of peanuts will go up and I can sell them and be a millionaire. Like an investment plan. Some people convert their money into gold or silver and they say it holds its value, but I thought, you know, I'm going to convert all my money into peanuts. It could pay off. That gunshot was not falling off the tree. There's white tip. You know, Amy, there you go. Those red squirrels sound like Alvin and the Chipmunks. Which is kind of ironic, 'cause there's a chipmunk next to it, and the chipmunk's not making that sound. Those thumps are nuts.